So here's showing you how to charge the ONSON robot vacuum. So you have two options. First option is you can charge by using the remote control, but right now the the vacuum is totally dead, so you would have to manually charge it to the charging base. So when you plug the charging base, you will see the green LED light on there, and then when the vacuum is totally dead, the battery is totally used, you won't see the color green until you place it in the charging base. So I had charged it a little bit, so now I'm showing you how to charge it by pushing the charge symbol on the remote. So right now it's not straightening up, so it's not going to the base correctly. The reason why is when you charge the vacuum, you're supposed to make sure that you are placing it at the wall. So it has to be at the wall. So if you see it, it's not doing anything because, well, it's not like charging because it's trying to get to the base, but the base moves. So you want to make sure that, see, if you look at the instructions, there it is. So when you charge, you find a suitable location to place the charging base, and then after connecting the charger, the indicator light on. So you want to place the charging base on a flat ground against the wall. So do not place objects within 20 inches to the left and 60 inches in front. So I now put the charging base against the wall and see what happens. So the vacuum actually is able to charge, if to charge it correctly, because the base is not moving, so it's against the wall. So that's the most important thing to do if you want to charge it using the remote control. Thank you.